So the franchise of the week is Anago. So Anago is an interesting franchise. They have a master franchise system. They started back in 1995, and the way that a master franchise system works is basically you become a mini franchisor. So as the master franchisee, you buy up the rights to a territory, and then one of your roles is you're actually recruiting and bringing on franchisees in your territory. And then those franchisees report up to you. So it's one of the ways to build one of the biggest types of businesses in franchising actually is through master franchising, but you'd want to be someone who has some pretty good skills, right? Like you've been like a general manager, you've run a business unit, you're used to running something with profit and loss statements, like you're a sharp, savvy business person, and you have the ability to sell and influence other people is definitely something you want to have in here. But they got 46 franchise units. I believe that's 46 master franchise units, but we need to confirm that. Their franchise fee is $98,000. Again, because as a master franchisee, when you bring on franchisees underneath you, you actually get a portion of the franchise fee and you get a portion of the royalties, which is pretty interesting. Um, Not a lot of franchise systems have master franchisee options. And sometimes a lot of franchises that you may see like internationally that came from the US, like individuals in those other countries will become master franchisees and they buy like the development rights for a whole country, as an example. But the investment range is between $219,000 to $339,000 to get up and open. And like I said, the master franchise, the master acts as a sub franchisor, selling franchises just like the franchisor does, which is really interesting. And what Anago does is they sell cleaning contracts. And then that's what the master franchisee does. They go out there, secure those contracts, and then they assign those to the individuals that have signed up for a franchise underneath them. And then they help support their individual franchisees with their operations. It's quite interesting, pretty fascinating, actually. And so when we look at some of their sales, if we dive into their 2023 sales, you can see that their average annual sales, $2.7 million. Median sales, 2.1. Lowest performer is $556,000. And the highest performer at $7.7 million, which is pretty darn significant. Now, what are some of the benefits for someone going into this business? Well, number one is recession resistant, right? You can't outsource cleaning, right? To a foreign country. You can't, it's not going to be replaced by Amazon and the internet. Every business needs to be cleaned. That's just the reality of it. Even no matter what's going on, businesses are going to have commercial contracts and people are going to be hiring, right? And we saw this especially in the pandemic. Cleaning kind of went crazy because there was a lot of demand to keep things clean. Low overhead and quick ramp up. There's no real estate investment or construction needed. You basically just need your own small office and an administrative assistant, and then 4 to 6 months to get ramped up. Executive business model, right? So this is overall a Monday through Friday business, and the master franchisees, you get to control your time, and you're really not working nights or weekends or anything like that, which is pretty cool. And it's a recurring revenue model, right? So you're getting commercial cleaning contracts that provide you with recurring income. I mean, those are contracts, right? So as you start stacking those contracts in, what's coming in, when, where, how, etc. And they also have 7 different revenue streams of where you can make money from as the master franchisee. Because again, you make money from royalties, the franchise fee, the actual cleaning contracts, and there's more. So it's pretty interesting. Master franchising is a unique opportunity, but a significant opportunity for those who it could be the right fit for. Again, you want to be someone who has some business savvy, or just you're used to operating some sort of business operation, even if it was in the corporate world. Now, if you want to see if Anago has any territories available in your specific area, You can go to franchiseempire.com/check territory to see if they're available in your area or to see any of the franchises that are available in your area. Now, just so you guys know, our team, we've been compiling a list. One is 5 franchises that make over $1 million, low cost, that are all $200,000 and less to get up and running. But our team keeps compiling a list of some of these franchises that have the highest average performance and show the highest sales and that have the best track record. So if you want us to look through that list and to handpick, what's available in your market and see if there's anything available, then you can go to franchiseempire.com/check territory and we can check on that completely for free for you.